Good evening, Keller Williams, South Africa. My name is David Conderman. I'm the operating principal here at Market Center 396 in Prairie Village, Kansas, and Kansas City. I am an operating principal and mega agent, and I'm going to be teaching at the South African Family Reunion on the MREA models, the Millionaire Real Estate Agent models. I have been teaching business planning clinic and specifically the four fundamental MREA models for almost 15 years now, and have taught business planning clinic over 100 times to over 3,000 agents. And if you want an opportunity to have a 300% chance at hitting your goals for 2021, you will want to join me at Keller Williams South Africa Family Reunion. You will be stunned and amazed at the information that I give you and how well the people who implement these systems, these models, do in their business. They have absolutely incredible results, and I can't wait to share them all with you. Look forward to seeing you all at Family Reunion.